Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. I recently got some new amazing washi tapes. Look at this. And washi tape stickers, which I'm completely obsessed about and which I will show you in a moment because look how many. But in this video, I mainly wanted to show you this idea that I had of incorporating the washi tapes and the stickers as pages in our journals. It just works, you see? It's a similar idea to these washi tape booklets that I've made before. I will link this video down below. But instead of making the booklets, we're making single pages. And the way that I'm thinking of using this is, for example, I am in the process of making this journal. It's not bound yet. So as one of my pages, I would prefer to have this as my front page and then the back page. So you have a full page in your own journal or a journal that you're selling. On page 1 you have all of these washi tape stickers, or washi tapes rather. Some other ones have stickers, so we'll come back to this because I'm going to show you the washi tapes that I got. And then at the back you also have these washi tapes. So the idea is for you to peel them off, right, and use them throughout your journal. That's the idea. So it's nice for a personal journal, for a travel journal, or for journals that you're actually making to sell. I think it's a beautiful idea. And while I was making these, I couldn't stop myself from doing this and making again a little booklet like a companion to a junk journal. You can bind it here using a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then you have all of these beautiful amazing washi tapes and washi tape stickers. Look at these little kitty cats that you peel off and you use in your journal. Personally, if I purchased a journal and I got one of these inside the journal, perhaps I would purchase the journal just for this. I don't know. Anyway, let's get down to business. I envisioned these as single pages for journals, but I have plenty of washi tapes to do both. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the washi tapes that I got. I'm going to link all of the individual links down below, so if you see something you really like, you can very easily find that all the washi tapes are from the Washi Tape shop. I'm also going to create one of these on screen, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But let me really quickly show you my new collection, and it's much easier, I guess, to see what's available when you look at it like this rather than on rolls like this. And this is, by the way, Petals and Parchment, and these are the washi tapes and washi tape stickers that come in that set, and I absolutely love the idea of washi tape stickers, and I couldn't fit all of them on there. I couldn't fit this one, and I couldn't fit this one, and I was going to make another page but I completely forgot. So you can see this wide washi tape, that's this one here, the narrow washi tape, which is this one here, and then all of the wonderful stickers, postage stamp sticker and plants and all that sort of stuff. Look at this. I'm just noticing how many I actually didn't fit in there. These first 3 missed out. So, I mean, absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Oh, you can't go wrong with this one. How gorgeous is this? I have a thing for stickers and washi tapes, and that's the truth. All right. This next one is Delico Floral Wreaths. And I know for a fact I couldn't fit a lot of these smaller stickers in. Absolutely love these large ones here, the wreaths. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then this here, look at this. I love this so much because I don't know if it's coming through in the video, but it's gold foiled writing, and it just, oh, love it. And then there's also gold foiling on these as well. I know it's not coming through on the video, but that's what this one looks like. Love, love, love. And of course they are transparent. You can see even through 2 layers. So you can see if you put it on a book page, it's transparent, and I absolutely love this. And then of course you can layer these little sayings and stuff like that, and then pop it in the middle there, or just right on there, whatever. Why do we love washi tape so much? Is it just me, or do all of us paper lovers and crafters love washi tapes? So the thing is, I have so many washi tapes, but there are limited uses for them, as you know. I have made some videos previously. But when they came out with these stickers, I just loved the idea of stickers on a roll, like a washi tape, and they're like washi tape stickers. So I don't know, they're stickers anyway. This one is Green Oasis, and oh, once again, the gold foiling. Check this out. I'm in love with this one. And all of these are see-through. And then there's this one. Oh, if you're a plant lover, check this out. Look at this. Oh, look at this one here. Love that one. Love this one. Love this. Oh, they're herbs. Rosemary. Oh, I just realized. I thought that's a bonsai, if that's how you pronounce. Thyme. There's a cat. Well, they're not all herbs, obviously, but anyway, that's that one. And of course, this one again, the gold lettering, gold foiling, absolutely beautiful. It's hard to see, but I think this is like a spring blooming, you know, floral nature type of thing. Botanical pure nature. This one says. I love this one here, of course, which is that one there. Let's do this one next because I'm obsessed with this one. This one's called Waves of Riban. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Riban, but it's an island in Japan, and there's 4 washi tapes inspired by, you know, the waves of Riban. And so because I love it so much, I dedicated 2 pages to that. Look at this, and look at this, all the gold foiling. It's just, I mean, I've never been to Japan. It's not like I have a personal connection to this kind of thing, but the dark colors, and they just go so well together. And of course the gold throughout, all of this gold, it just, I love it. All right, I'm gonna do this one next because look at this. This one is called Vintage Vibes Sticker Set, and I think, I don't know if they seem vintage. I wouldn't say, because it's white, it doesn't seem vintage to me necessarily. If it was a craft kind of color, brownie color like this, perhaps I would even prefer it for these stickers, not for the insects. So there's all of these insects, see, and there's that word, insetti. Is that Italian? I don't know, someone tell me. Butterflies and bees and ladybugs and stuff like that. And then there's this wide washi tape here. Love the writing, of course. And that's this one. The 3 come in a set. Okay, there's a spider there, but some people are scared of spiders, so I didn't want to scare anyone. I live in Australia and I'm not scared of spiders, so. Alright, let me show you the cat one next, because I know a lot of you are cat lovers. I myself am a dog person, but I love cats too, and especially love this one that says books. And I actually couldn't fit all of the cat images on here. This washi tape set is called Chunky Cat, and it's really cute. And these are all stickers. I actually couldn't, look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I actually couldn't fit them all onto that page. Look how cute this is. I do love cats. I mean, sometimes I get a little scared of them when they're staring at me slyly. And you know what? I've been attacked by a cat before as well. So, like proper attack, the way a dog attacks. I was bitten, it jumped on me for no reason. I was just sitting there minding my own business and this cat attacks me. But that cat was, everybody knew that cat is psychotic. So don't judge all the cats by one cat's action, right? Look how cute. I'm sure this cat would never attack. Or this one here. But anyway, look at this. I love books. And anything to do with books, I just absolutely love. Look, even here, there's more books there. Cheeky cats. It should be called cheeky cats, not chunky cats. I'm not even sure what chunky means. And I just saw this image. Oh my goodness, look at this. Typical cats. I just realized what they've done. They've scratched all your furniture is what they've done. You see? Very cheeky cat. Alright, this one here is my absolute favorite. Absolute favorite. And it's upside down. So this one here is called Flower Corridor Pet Tape. Or PET tape. Which means that maybe some type of a plastic. I'm not sure. So you can either get this one in washi tape. So you have a proper washi tape one. Or you can get it as this PET or PET tape. which is what I've got. And as you can see, it's completely clear, and you peel it off and it's almost like sellotape or sticky tape, really, but it's got this beautiful design and much better quality, and this will look good on book pages. It just looks so stunning on book pages. So I'm most definitely totally in love with this one. But you can also get a set of this one and the washi tape, or you can just get the washi tape. And the last one in my new collection is this one here, and that one's called Adventure, and it's a 5 washi tape set. So this is good for travel journals or outdoorsy kind of lovers, I guess, because the theme is adventure. You know, you've got tents and camping and boating and bike riding and mountain climbing and camping, camper vans and tents and all that kind of thing. So that's pretty cool. I would include that in a travel journal, I think. All right, so that's all of my new washi tapes that I got, but some of these ones that you're seeing here are a mixture of different ones that I've acquired over the years. So I'm going to use some of those in the thing I'm about to make now. And I also got this beautiful butterfly stamp, which I haven't tried yet, but I have a thing for butterflies and I'm hoping perhaps to use it today. We'll see, but I will also link this one down. I really wanted to start off with this before showing you the washi tapes, but it just so happened that anyway. So we are using these plastic page dividers, and I only have this one left. You can use anything that you have in your possession that's plasticky and that washi tape is gonna peel off of. This is some type of a document holder, and I think if I cut this in half, this will be perfect to be bound into a journal. We spoke about all that stuff in this video if you watched it, so I apologize if I'm repeating myself, but for example something like this, it wouldn't work because it's very flimsy, and you know, yes, you can peel washi tapes off of this, but can't really bind it into a journal. So have a look at anything that you've got. I'm going to use this one because that's what I've used for all of these here, and all I'm going to do is fold it in half, trim that off. I want to trim this off as well. I like to kind of have them all similar size, so I'm just using the previous one as a guide on where to cut. Okay, here we go. And what do we do now? Oh, it's very difficult. How am I going to explain this? We'll just do one step at a time. I'm just kidding. You know what we're gonna do. Okay, so these are the Alice in Wonderland washi tapes, and I'm actually missing one because I think I gave it away. So there's another one, and look. Alice in Wonderland. The reason why I'm choosing this is because people love to make Alice in Wonderland journals, and the images and the story and everything, it really is so much fun. So I'm gonna start cutting. Alright, well, I guess I should explain a little bit. So what I do, because I want it to look visually appealing as soon as I kind of open the book, I will, before I start gluing the washi tapes down, and the good thing is, of course, that you can very easily peel them off, I kind of set them down to see how it's going to look. Something like this, right? And I can see straight away that I can fit one more washi tape in here. I don't have that 5th one, so I'm just going to choose something from my collection that goes well, right? So for example, perhaps I could do something like this one here, and maybe break it up a little bit. I actually really quite like that look. Or I can stick with blue, but I'm being really stingy with this one because I'm in love with this washi tape. I absolutely love this one, so I am being really stingy with this one. I'm kind of hoarding it a little bit. So I would say I kind of like that look, so I'm going to start with this one. So as you know, some washi tapes come with this backing, others come, you know, without the backing, but you can very easily do it either way. Okay, and next I might do the bottom one. So that way I get even spacing, or as even as I can get it. Like you can see here, I've done these two first, and then I've done that one, and then that one. So it's evenly spaced. So this washi tape here is without the backing. So this one goes directly on top. Oh, look at this, how cute. Silver foiling on this one. Here we go. And I can also see that I've kind of glued this one down a little bit crooked. But this is the great thing about this type of thing. You can just peel it off. And if you're worried, does it peel off on its own over time? It doesn't. It just stays stuck on, just like it does on the roll. Well, if you left it for 20 years, it will probably lose the stickiness. And I have another little space here for a thin one. I really don't have that many thin ones, but I think this one looks okay. And there we go. Oh, do you think that looks beautiful? The secret is obviously you want them to match. It's kind of nice that it starts off with this one here, and the one down the bottom is kind of similar, so it's kind of symmetrical. It's straight here. I think it's those little things that kind of make it work. And this one goes so well with this journal that I'm making. Even though it's got nothing to do with Alice in Wonderland, the colors go so well. Look at this middle page and this little butterfly here. There's something about it that just works together. And of course the cover, look at this. It just works, you see? Alright, so for the inside I might do some stickers. I might use this Vintage Vibes sticker set. And I might mix it in with some petals and parchment as well. Why not? I still couldn't fit quite a lot of these on there. There's just so many wonderful ones. I'll just do one more, the last one over here, and I wanted to use these washi tapes. These are not new, so I hope I'll be able to find the links to this one. This is what I've done previously with those washi tapes. So now I'm going to do something different. Maybe I can fit some of these on there. That's not looking that great. Let's see. I know what I'll do. I'm going to peel these off, which is the beauty of this project. And I'm going to do something with this. This is the Waves of Ribbon. I just love this black one. It's so beautiful. And then perhaps I can use some from this roll. I can only use ones that will fit. So luckily they have these small, tiny gold foiled ones. Look at this one. Filling in the little gaps. I'm going to call this one done. And here's what that looks like. Pretty cool. I'm quite happy with how this looks, and I think it will look beautiful in a journal. The more I look at this one, the more I like it. I didn't actually like it when I first started, but it actually turned out pretty nice. Does one human being need this many washi tapes? Probably not. Do they want this many washi tapes? Depends on the human being. Clearly I do. And if you are a washi tape fanatic like myself, check out my video called 10 washi tape ideas. It will be linked down below. I also have some other washi tape videos which are also linked down below. Check out the washi tape shop. Make sure you use treasure10 to get 10% off. And also, as I mentioned, all of the links, individual links, will be in the description box as well. Let me know what you think of this idea. There is something about it that speaks to my soul. Using, like, I don't know what it is. I can't put it into words, but as crafters, we have this sense of touch and texture and sound. And this gives such wonderful sound. What is it about it? I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.